Hello, crypto family. I hope you all are doing great. For those who don't know me, I'm Trigger, but I know most of you already do. This is going to be my first ever Bitcoin analysis and market, or you can say market analysis video. So I'm really looking forward to improving and providing even more values in the upcoming ones. Let's dive in. So this was the plan that I have shared with the community on Discord on 24th July. I clearly mentioned that the market is going lower and we mapped it out perfectly. Let's move to the trading view. Look at this. Market perfectly came down, swept these lows, accepted back into the range, and boom, what a beautiful move made by BTC. And if someone uh, took the long entry on this reclaim, it could easily you could have easily like bagged 3.5 RR, which is like pretty good for Bitcoin. What I am expecting from the market, like in the upcoming week, if we close above this previous weekly open, you can say, if we close above a good candle above this previously weekly open, or this resistance zone that we have over here, like from 120 200 till 119 200, this is the zone that I am seeing. If we flip above this zone, and if we don't see any sort of rejection from this 123k zone, then we might see a new all-time high from Bitcoin. On the other hand, if we don't have, you can say, if we don't break above this zone, then we might see the we might head lower, like possibly back to 116k zone, you can say. So this is it for the Bitcoin update. I think it's like more than enough for anyone to understand what I am expecting in next week. Let's move to the Ethereum first. Okay, so this is the Ethereum chart. Right now Ethereum is on, like, you can say, a huge resistance. Since 2024 it is huge resistance for Ethereum. And if we move to the daily chart, we are seeing some sort of, you can say, on RSI we are seeing a divergence. So if Ethereum flips this zone, like this 4,000 area, and made a range over here, made a good range, then we might see a new rally up till, like, you can say, the previous all-time high, or maybe a new all-time high. So it all depends. Either BTC flips this zone, or Ethereum flips this zone, or Ethereum rejects from here and come on this zone again. uh, Moreover, also I have shared some altcoins in the last term that we have seen from the Bitcoin. I shared ENA. Let's move to the chart first. ENA. This was the spot rate that I have shared with the Discord community. You guys can clearly see it went out 52%, which is like pretty good gains, man. Like, in spot, in this kind of market, 50% is like more than enough. Like, it's a good thing. Anyways, this was the spot rate. Flip into the link is also flipping above the SR zone. Like it if we today, if we close a good candle, a good daily candle, then we might see a new rally from link as well. If BTC, let me tell you one more thing about Bitcoin. For instance, if BTC break up of this zone, or maybe, you can say this trend line, then we might see a 5 or 10% rally from alts as well. So what is my suggestion for you guys? Wait for the weekly candle closure and then prepare for the next move accordingly. Also, I want to give disclaimer to everyone who's watching my video. I'm not your financial advisor. Always do your own research and analysis. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Your support keeps me going. Catch you guys in the next one. Tata.